Hello. Again, we are starting with the next phase, that is shortest phase of the cell division carrier causes short phase, mega phase. So, first of all, let me tell you that how many of you are understanding our pro-phase video. If it is clear all about that where we see that a sail is this and there is a central zone between and there is a spindle fiber and after attachment is called tactile fiber. This is the equator. Like this, a centrosome, chromosome are attaching with kinetochore. Now, the next phase, that is shortest phase, metaphase and anaphase, this video will consist of. So, let me tell you that this is known as shortest phase. Here we see that, let me write down points first. Let me, if you are getting this metaphase small amount, then please see that one also in the previous video. It may or may not be there. If it is there, then good at all, but if it is not there, then focus on this video. Let me write down some points, and please you should write in your copy also that point. I am writing this point. First point here, we see the process of congregation means. now congregation का मतलब क्या होता है उसको भी जानना पड़ेगा ना हमको. So congregation means the chromosome are aligned at the equator and form a equatorial plate. And the process of this process is known as congregation. Write down this process also, congregation. In box you have to write down. Now the next point, that is after attaching the spindle fiber with chromosome, no, with diad chromosome. Now I hope you will know the meaning of diad. Means there will be two non-sister chromatid. Means again I am telling you that this is chromosome, and here we see that this one and this one 2. So there are two non-sister chromatid. When we see two non-sister chromatid, then we call this is known as diad chromosome. With diad chromosome, okay, and forms diad chromosome, then begins, then the fiber begins tactile fiber. Okay, hope it is clear to you all. that after attaching spindle fiber with a diode chromosome, then the fiber became tractile fiber. Then it is no longer spindle fiber because it is called tractile fiber. Now the next process. So okay, let me see the diagram that how you will identify the process metaphase. How will you identify metaphase? This is somewhere cell and this is centrosome. Here and there two centrosome and after that you will see that they are attaching at the equatorial plate. If you not understand then see that there is a even dendro also there is diode chromosome is present. By this way you can identify that this is known as the metaphase. Please replicate this diagram in your memory that you will identify when it comes to your exam. Now the next process is known as anaphase. What is the meaning of anaphase? The most important phase of all. Anaphase means it is the process of best scene of chromosome that is known as karyotype or ideogram. Ideogram. Now, what is ideogram and karyotype? That you will understand you in the next lesson, that is chromosome. Let me give a short description. Ideogram is a pictorial representation of a chromosomal view. It is a pictorial. Okay, both are pictorial representation. You can understand now. Real representation. Okay, so both are karyotype and both are pictorial representation. Now the most important and खास बात जिसको इनमें कहा जाता है, खास बात क्या है? Here we see both the chromosomes